Here's a simple side hustle anyone could do today. And this doesn't require any inventory, no upfront costs, just a little bit of sweat equity to get started. And you can even do it right from your phone. Go to Amazon.com or go to the app. And then you want to type in wall art and type an adjective before, like kids wall art or boys wall art or girls wall art or a certain type of wall art. And scroll through and see what kind of ideas that are coming up and pay attention to the sponsored ones. See if there's any kind of repetitions or patterns that you're seeing, like this one right here, looking kind of similar, just in different kind of forms. What you're doing is looking for patterns and looking for things that sell. Amazon's choice is always a good one to look for as well. After you've done that, head on over to Canva. When in Canva, type in poster and click on one of the poster options. You can always edit the dimensions later, but usually 24x36 is a good one to start with, or 18x24. I noticed that the kids wall art had a lot of rainbows in there, so I typed in rainbows to kind of get a idea and some templates going. They also have elements here. You can type in rainbows and you got little icons here. So I grabbed this one, put a little burst behind it. I also got a sun and changed this one up a little bit. And I also used the finger paint font and changed up the color so it looks like this. Once you have your posters ready, go ahead and download them to your phone using PDF or PNG. Then you'll head over to this website here, placeit.net. You'll type in poster mockup. This company makes mockups for you. Here are some blank mockups here that I'm going to upload the pictures to. This is what it looks like when it's done. Then from there, you just post those pictures and give those people the digital download afterward. You can download this app here, sell on Etsy, and put up a store. Go ahead and save this video for later, go through the steps, and then when you're done, show us your Etsy store, share it down below in the comments below.